Welcome to another edition of Legal Tip Tuesday. We've been conducting this series of conversations for a number of years now at Quatrini Law Group, and we look forward to helping you understand legal issues and legal matters that might involve your life. Today's topic is black lung. There are two programs that are available for individuals who are afflicted by black lung. There's a federal black lung law and the Pennsylvania Workers' Compensation Act, which also provides coverage for occupational diseases, one of which is pneumoconiosis, which is the fancy legal term, medical term for black lung. What happens to the coal miner? That coal dust and what's in it falls into their lungs, constricting their air sacs so that they don't expand normally, and you can't breathe normally when your air sac is constricted. That's called restrictive lung disease. What we're finding in today's world is that the incidence of serious black lung has just skyrocketed. Why? Because what they're drilling into, the coal miner is drilling into, is releasing more silica from the stone in the pursuit of the coal. Silica is the insidious substance that causes the damage in your lungs. And the level of disease, the disability occurring, is much worse than even it was before. If you know a congressman, you need to reach out and say, pass the new legislation to make it more difficult for a coal operator to put me in the silica sand. Put regulations in place that constrict the amount of silica I'm exposed to. At our law office, we've been doing black lung work for a long time. I'll divert for a second. The law was passed in 1969. One of the people who wrote that law was John H. Dent from Jeannette, Pennsylvania. Yours truly worked for John Dent in 1969 when that statute was passed. So I got my first exposure to black lung even before I went to law school. And I started to do black lung work when I became an attorney. Over time, the regulations were loosened, they were tightened, they were loosened, so that the program has changed, the coverage has changed. Bottom line, today's world, we need better protection for our coal miners. And so talk to your congressman or your senator about it. In the meantime, if you're afflicted by black lung, give us a call. We know how to handle your claim in the workers' comp world in Pennsylvania, and we have relationships to help you in the federal black lung world. So I'm going to say goodbye at this point. It's a subject that is near and dear to my heart for many, many years, and we want to give you the best protection and care that we can for your injury. This is Vince Quatrini. This has been another edition of Legal Tip Tuesday. Thank you.